All right, I'm gonna walk back to the house. We walked around the neighborhood. Water kind of deep, as you see. This is Hurricane Harvey, now tropical storm Harvey. Walking back to our house. Hope we don't step in a manhole or get bit by a snake or alligator. We just got bored in the house, so we walked outside. If I see an alligator, we're gonna eat him tonight. That'll be our meal tonight, alligator. Then I can make me some boots. I can get some alligator and a couple of pair of boots. We're almost home. Tropical storm Harvey was hurricane, but it's still pouring down water here in our neighborhood. Wife back there recording. She trying to keep up with me. Hope that snake don't get her. There was a snake right there. All right. No, we gonna eat that snake. We're gonna eat snake and alligator tonight. Oh, somebody calling me. Alligator hunting. Look like it done went down, son. All right, see y'all later. Well, my neighbors got some kayaks. They're floating around the neighborhood. Man, y'all having fun, huh? You told me you was coming back, huh? Huh? You was coming back, huh? Man, I'm about to get me one of those. Hurricane Harvey, tropical storm Harvey now. This is our neighborhood. You taking advantage of this opportunity, huh? Man, I need one of those. I'll be right there beside you. Have fun, man.